everyone, welcome back to Motion Emotion Vibes. And first of all, I want to say thanks for your support. We reached 1000 subs. I really appreciate it. The level of support is crazy. So today I'm gonna make Amy Winehouse or Leon Bridges type beat. So let's get started. And I'm gonna start with the drums. I've already prepared this Addictive Drums preset. And also I will use this multi-output mode for each channel to be able to make adjustments for each piece of the kit. So let's record it. Okay, it's time to come up with the guitar line. And I will go with the Guitar Riff emulation, then RC20, and the pedal board with the spring reverb. And the chord progression is super easy. It's B major 7, then B flat minor 7, and then A flat minor 7. It's a classic soul progression, so let's record something. Alright, so we have our catchy guitar line, so the next step I will record my P bass, and the only thing I will add here a little feature with this sponge to make it sound more vintage, and I'm gonna place it right here. And for the piano, I will use Alicia Keys' Contact Library. I spread it with the stereo image and I changed the velocity curve to convex 50%. So now it's a little bit softer. I want to duplicate the bass notes an octave lower. And let's come up with the actual chorus. Okay, and now I'm going to emphasize the bass line with the guitar riff, and it always works like a magic, so let's do it. Good, let's record the horns for the chorus. So the beat is almost done, and I just want to make an outro right after the second chorus. And let me show you some things that I added for the second pre-chorus. For example, this pad, I added the Omnisphere plugin and the preset called After Third Signs, and bells, also from Omnisphere, preset called Glock and Dream, one of my favorite. Yeah, it's hardly noticeable. Bells, which I panned to the right, it's a keyscape preset called Retro Plug Spin. Then it's Shaker, it's a contact library called Shimmer, Shake and Strike. And also I recorded these strings for the chorus. It's just B flat over the whole chorus, and let's check how it sounds. Okay, it's time to come up with the outro, and I'm gonna start with the drums. Okay, so here are the drums, and I manually fixed the velocity and the rhythm. Okay, so let's record the piano here. Also, I recorded the strings and I used the contact library Spitfire. The preset, I guess it's Legato Performance. Alright, so the beat is done, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Also, I want to mention my friend Daryl, who is super talented artist, singer and songwriter. Actually, this beat was made for him, and check out his YouTube channel. I will place the link in the description, so please subscribe to my channel, subscribe to Daryl's channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye! And here is the final result.